If you'd like to try something a little bit different for your Thanksgiving dessert table, give this a go. I call this the original pumpkin pie. I put this on my website probably about 10 years ago, based off of just something I read in an old book. I kind of figured it out. So hundreds of years ago, the early settlers did not have dough or flour to make pie crust. What they did was hollowed out pumpkins and filled it with custard and roasted it in the fire. So this is kind of loosely based off of that. I just get a sugar pumpkin, hollow it out, make a custard, fill it, roast it in the oven, and then enjoy it later that day or the next day. It just needs like 4 or 5 hours to chill. So it's kind of like an edible history lesson, definitely a conversation piece around the table, and it's just kind of fun to make. So I don't know about you, but I can't wait for Thanksgiving. And tomorrow I'm going to share with you my favorite Thanksgiving dessert. Can't wait.